wanted to recognize Councilwoman Reynolds Jackson from Trenton. Trenton has more representation here than any of our communities, so thank you so much for coming out. That concludes our event. Thank you to each of you for joining us today to show your personal support for what we're trying to do. We're certainly open to any questions or questions from the press. Anybody'd like to ask anything, we're here for you. But again, thank you so much for coming out to show your personal commitment. We look forward to working with you to make this happen. Thank you to all of our community coalitions, our New Jersey partners. Thank you so much for coming out and spending some time. A little bit chilly, but it's a beautiful day. Thank you.
You have the 3 communities involved now, but what's the goal with this? Are you going to try to, is this a pilot program and you're going to try to bring it to
the goal of this is that we're starting with 3 communities. We'd eventually like to involve every single community in the state of New Jersey. And we'll be figuring out a way to make that happen. It really comes down to a question of resources for us to be able to support them to get the number of training and get it going. Over the next few years, you'll hear about a dramatic increase in the number of communities that we're going to be reaching.
You said it involves getting knowledge out to the parents and stuff. How would you deliver the knowledge? What would the steps be?
Well, the first step, each of the communities will be recruiting, trainers that can reach out across their community to reach the child care centers, the schools, the faith-based organizations, any organization that's coming into contact with kids, and organizing trainings that can be held throughout the community. We'll be providing incentives to make that happen. We have a curriculum through the Enough Abuse campaign that teaches everybody who'll come to those trainings, information they need to know about child sexual abuse, steps they can take to protect kids, the steps that perpetrators use in terms of grooming, a whole set of information that can give them what they need to know. And the goal is to take that to scale.
And this info isn't just for the people who come to them, it's preventing it before it happens in the first place.
It's all about preventing it before it happens. Obviously, if somebody who may have committed an act, if you can stop them from committing a future act, that is prevention as well. And obviously, for anybody who may be a victim, if they come forward, we certainly want to be there to provide help, counseling, and support and links to those services.
Thank you.
Thank you.